Our planet is facing an environmental crisis. Conventional skincare plays a role in this problem. Many products contain harsh chemicals. These chemicals can pollute water sources, they can harm wildlife, they can disrupt ecosystems. Sustainable skincare offers a solution. There's a clear link between healthy skin and a healthy planet. What we put on our skin is absorbed into our bodies. Choosing natural, sustainable products protects both our health and the environment. It's a win-win situation for us and the planet. Consumers are becoming more aware. There is a growing demand for ethical and sustainable beauty products. This shift in consumer behavior is driving positive change. Brands are responding with eco-friendly practices. The beauty industry is undergoing a transformation. Sustainability is no longer a trend, it's a necessity. By embracing sustainable skincare, we contribute to a healthier future for all. Sustainable skincare starts with the ingredients. The journey to healthier skin begins with what we put on it. Natural and organic ingredients are at the core of this movement. They are the foundation of products that aim to be kind to both our skin and the environment. These ingredients are derived from nature. They are minimally processed, ensuring that their beneficial properties are preserved. They offer numerous benefits for the skin, from hydration to soothing irritation. Plant-based ingredients in particular are powerful allies. They harness the power of nature to heal and rejuvenate. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients are essential for maintaining healthy skin. These nutrients nourish and protect the skin, helping to combat the effects of environmental stressors. They promote a healthy and radiant complexion, giving your skin a natural glow. Cruelty-free formulas are another hallmark of sustainable skincare. They ensure that no animals are harmed in the process. These formulas are not tested on animals, reflecting a commitment to ethical practices. They prioritize ethical sourcing and production methods, supporting fair trade and sustainable farming. Choosing cruelty-free products aligns with a compassionate approach to beauty. It's a choice that reflects care for all living beings. It is important to be aware of harmful chemicals often found in conventional skincare. These can have long-term negative effects on your skin and health. Parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances are just a few culprits. Avoiding these can help maintain your skin's natural balance. These chemicals can irritate the skin and disrupt its natural balance, leading to issues like redness and sensitivity. Opting for natural alternatives is a step towards healthier and more sustainable skincare. It's a choice that benefits both you and the planet. Packaging plays a crucial role in the sustainability of skincare products. Conventional packaging often contributes to plastic waste. Sustainable brands are adopting eco-friendly alternatives. Recyclable and reusable containers are becoming increasingly popular. These containers can be recycled multiple times. They reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills. Look for packaging made from glass, aluminum, or biodegradable materials. Refillable options are another innovative solution to minimize plastic waste. Many brands offer refill pouches or pods for their products. This reduces the need to purchase new containers with each purchase. Some brands go the extra mile by using post-consumer recycled PCR materials. PCR materials are made from recycled plastic. This further reduces the demand for virgin plastic. Supporting brands that prioritize sustainable packaging is an important step towards a more eco-friendly beauty routine. Section 4. Creating a sustainable skincare routine. Transitioning to a sustainable skincare routine is easier than you might think. Small changes can make a big difference. Start by assessing your current routine. Identify areas where you can make more sustainable choices. One simple step is to reduce your product consumption. Often we use more product than necessary. Using a smaller amount can extend the life of your products. It also minimizes waste. Another tip is to choose multi-purpose products. Look for products that serve multiple functions. For example, a tinted moisturizer with SPF can replace both foundation and sunscreen. Pay attention to the ingredients list. Avoid products with harsh chemicals. Opt for natural and organic ingredients. Reading labels carefully helps you make informed decisions about the products you use on your skin. Section 5. DIY Beauty. Embrace natural solutions. Creating your own skincare products can be a fun and rewarding experience. It's a chance to get creative and experiment with different ingredients. It allows you to control the ingredients and customize formulas to your specific needs. You can avoid harmful chemicals and focus on what's best for your skin. DIY beauty also reduces packaging waste. By reusing containers and opting for eco-friendly packaging, you contribute to a healthier planet. There are countless recipes available for natural skincare products. From simple face masks to luxurious body scrubs, the options are endless. Simple ingredients found in your kitchen can work wonders for your skin. You don't need to spend a fortune to achieve glowing skin. For example, honey is a natural humectant that moisturizes the skin. It's also known for its antibacterial properties. Yogurt is a gentle exfoliant that brightens the complexion. It's rich in probiotics and lactic acid which help to nourish and rejuvenate the skin. Start with basic recipes and gradually experiment with different ingredients. Keep a journal to note what works best for your skin. Always test a small amount of the product on your inner arm before applying it to your face. This simple step can save you from potential irritation. This helps you avoid any potential allergic reactions. Consulting with a dermatologist can also provide valuable insights. DIY beauty is not only about the final product, it's a journey of discovery and self-care. It's about the process of connecting with nature and creating something with your own hands. The act of making your own products can be therapeutic. It's about embracing a more mindful and sustainable approach to skincare. By choosing natural solutions, you're making a positive impact on your well-being and the environment. Section 6. Supporting ethical brands and businesses. As consumers, we have the power to influence the beauty industry. By supporting ethical and sustainable brands, we encourage positive change. When we choose to spend our money on brands that align with our values, we send a powerful message. Look for certifications such as EcoCert, Cosmos, or USDA Organic. These certifications ensure that products meet specific standards of sustainability and environmental responsibility. They provide a level of transparency and trust for consumers. Supporting local businesses is another way to promote sustainability. Local businesses often have a smaller environmental footprint. They also contribute to the local economy. Research brands before you buy. Look for information about their sourcing practices, manufacturing processes, and commitment to sustainability. Many brands have detailed information on their websites. Section 7. Sustainable skincare. A lifestyle choice. Sustainable skincare is more than just a trend. It's a movement that is gaining momentum as more people become aware of the impact their choices have on the environment. It's a lifestyle choice that reflects a deep respect for our planet and ourselves. By choosing sustainable skincare, we are making a commitment to protect the Earth and its resources. It's about making conscious decisions that benefit both our health and the environment. Mindful consumption is key. Every product we choose has a story and a footprint. Before purchasing a new product, ask yourself if you really need it. Consider the ingredients, the packaging, and the company's values. Consider the product's life cycle and its potential impact on the environment. From production to disposal, every step matters. Educate yourself and others about sustainability. Knowledge is power, and the more we know, the better choices we can make. Share your knowledge with friends, family, and on social media. Spreading awareness can inspire others to join the movement. The more people are aware of the issues, the more likely we are to see positive change. Collective action can lead to significant environmental improvements. Embrace a holistic approach to beauty and wellness. It's not just about the products we use, but also about our overall lifestyle and well-being. True beauty radiates from within. When we take care of our bodies and the planet, it shows in our appearance and our energy. Nourishing our bodies with healthy food, managing stress, and connecting with nature are all part of a holistic approach to well-being. These practices enhance our inner and outer beauty. Sustainable skincare is an integral part of this journey towards a healthier and more sustainable future. By making thoughtful choices, we contribute to a better world for ourselves and future generations.